friends, it's Mrs. Bennett, and I want to show you a real quick math game that sometimes we play this in our math center, but you can play it at home too. You're going to need your 10 frame, and I forgot mine, so I just drew one on a piece of paper. Something to put in your 10 frame, so at least 10 of something, buttons, cubes, toys, whatever, and a dice. And so here's how you play. You just roll the dice. And I got a 2, so I get to put 2 buttons on my 10 frame. And I like to start right at the beginning and go all the way across the first row, and then fill in the second row because it helps me count. So I'm going to say how many I have. I have 2. Then I'll roll again. Ooh, look at that. I got a 6. That's pretty big. So I get to put on 6 more buttons. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have to say how many I have. Can you tell how many I have? There's only 2 empties. I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to roll again. I got a 4. Now you can decide how you want to play this. You can decide you have to get the exact number, so maybe I have to keep rolling till I get a 2 or a 1. Or you can decide that it's okay to overflow. So I'm going to play that way. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a couple extras here. And my 10 frame is all filled up. Now I have to say how many I have. With the extras, that's a little trickier. This is 10, right? 11, 12. I have 12. You could keep rolling and keep playing if you want to challenge yourself. Or you can stop when your 10 frame is filled up. And you can count backwards as you take your buttons off. So this is 12. Now it's 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you want to play this with a partner as kind of a competitive game, you can draw another 10 frame and take turns and see who fills up their board first. Lots of different ways you can play it. You can even, if you've got just a blank cube of some kind, you can make a die that just has 1, 2, and 3 on it, and then it will take a little bit longer to fill up the board. Or, like I said, you can play that you have to get the exact number. Sometimes that makes it a little trickier. Or you could play that you could add or take away the number you roll. So I'm going to show you that real quick. If I was going to play it that way, I get a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a 3. I'm going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got a 5. I can't add 5 and fill it up, so I have to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could play it like that and keep going back and forth until you can fill the board exactly, and then you win. So that is a fun math game to play today or anytime that you want to play a little counting game.